Yes. Hoga straight. Your feet. Not bad, not bad. Excellent. Good, Sujana. Excellent. Yeah, point the toes up, Sujana. Point the toes up. Fantastic, Shika. Celebrate, no? First headstand. Excellent. Okay, very good, very good. So once you become experienced, oh, next is this Rekha. Just like Rekha, you should be able to do it in this center. So that comes with regular practice. Okay, don't worry. She's very regular and consistent. I think every time I put her in spotlight and all, it's very rare she misses the classes. She'll miss the class when I don't do the class. Otherwise, she would have logged in. Okay, so you'll learn everything. Don't worry. Good, Prasanna. Okay.